This scissors lift truck by Jungheinrich comes as the premium product with the known ergonomic and durable brand quality. With its functions of lifting, moving, and providing loads of up to 1,000 kilograms, it features the combination of a lift truck and a lifting table. The electric lift motor enables you to bring the forks electro-hydraulically up to a lifting height of 800 millimeters. That way you can quickly and easily compensate for frequently changing working heights at the touch of a button. Alternatively, the load can also be lifted by operating the drawbar. From a lifting height of 400 millimeters on, the steering wheels lift off the ground and the side supports provide the scissor lift truck stability. When used as a lifting table, you can work ergonomically with an individually adjustable reaching height. The load is lowered via the patented operating lever on the drawbar handle. The scissor lift truck can be moved up to a lifting height of 400 millimeters and is quickly brought back to the desired reaching height. This scissor lift truck is a reliable companion with intuitive operation for the compensation of variable heights in the course of daily work.